Welcome to Smartspace training. In this video, we will be giving an overview of the Smartspace onboarding process. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you will need to create an account. To begin, click on the Sign Up icon below. Here is where you will need to enter your account information. After your account information has been set, hit the Next button to complete the next step. In this step, you will need to input your profile information, such as your birth year and gender. Once your profile information is complete, you will need to sync your account to your Smartspace device. The app will scan and search for nearby devices. Once your device is found, select it and connect it to the app. If you are using an iPhone, you will need to go into your settings to make sure certain functions are turned on for proper Smartspace app functionality. After having scrolled down and clicked on the Smartspace icon in your settings list, you will be taken to the Smartspace settings. Now that you're in Smartspace settings, make sure that the Bluetooth, background app refresh, and cellular data toggle are turned on. Now go into the Location tab and make sure to choose Always. Once this is complete, you can return back to the Smartspace app. Your Smartspace app and device are now synced. This concludes the training video for the Smartspace onboarding process.